The story begins in 1989 when British physicist Roger Penrose published a book that would ignite decades of controversy. Penrose, a Nobel Prize winner and one of the most respected mathematicians alive, made a startling claim. He argued that human consciousness couldn't possibly emerge from classical physics alone. The brain, he insisted, must be tapping into quantum mechanical processes to generate the rich inner world of subjective experience we all possess. Think about it for a moment. Right now, you're not just processing visual information from this screen. You're experiencing qualia, the actual felt sensation of seeing colors, hearing sounds, feeling emotions. Classical computers can process information brilliantly, but they don't experience anything. They don't have that inner movie playing in their heads like you do right now. Penrose realized this presented a fundamental problem. If consciousness is just the result of neurons firing in patterns like a biological computer, then why should there be any inner experience at all? Why shouldn't we all be philosophical zombies, processing information perfectly, but experiencing nothing? This is called the hard problem of consciousness, and it stumped philosophers and scientists for centuries. But Penrose had a radical solution. He proposed that consciousness emerges from quantum processes occurring inside the microtubules of neurons. These microtubules are tiny protein structures that form the skeleton of cells, and Penrose suggested they might be quantum computers operating inside our heads. The idea was audacious. Quantum mechanics describes a world where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, where observation affects reality, and where distant particles can be mysteriously connected through quantum entanglement. If consciousness really does emerge from quantum processes, it would mean your thoughts follow fundamentally different rules than the classical world around you.